Hi guys, it's Jessie Marie. Thanks for watching. Tonight I'm here to show you another awesome product. And this is by one of my absolute favorite brands. I found them on Amazon and it is Nutree Professional Hair Care. And it is their Brazilian Bottox Expert Thermal Multi-Control Mask. Don't mind my hair, I'm way overdue for a color, but I wanted to get this product and thoroughly try it out and help heal my hair and just make it feel and look a lot shinier, softer, and healthier before coloring it again. So this mask is great for anti-frizz, hydration, and reconstruction of hair. It protects your hair and repairs it. It's loaded full of natural and super nourishing ingredients like almond oil, seaweed, olive oil, wheat protein, and more. It's great for all hair types and all hair colors. So go ahead and protect and repair your hair now by grabbing this awesome little hair mask by Nutree Professional. You can find it on their website, on Amazon as well, and you can find it on my Amazon self-care list. So make sure you click my bio to follow me on Amazon. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.